Biodegradable equipment plot production line. Plastic ban business opportunities. Straw lunchbox. Environmental entrepreneurship. Carbon neutral entrepreneurship. Molding equipment. Factory transformation. Degradable certification. Agricultural waste recycling. Main production equipment for biodegradable tableware. Biodegradable tableware is made of various raw materials such as PLA, starch-based, bamboo fiber, sugar cane fiber, etc. And the production equipment needs to be customized according to the characteristics of the raw materials and the process flow. Typical equipment includes 1. Extrusion molding. Purpose: heat and melt granular raw materials such as PLA, starch, and then extrude them through a mold such as lunchbox holders, straws, knives and forks, etc. Technical features: precise temperature control. PLA melting point is about 160 C. Starch-based materials require high temperature for gelatinization. The mold design is complex and needs to be adapted to different tableware shapes. Trimming and cooling systems can be integrated to improve efficiency. Tube thermoforming machine. Application: processing paper-based or fiber-based materials such as bamboo fiberboard, bagasse board, and forming tableware by heating and pressing. Technical features: low temperature molding 150 to 200 C. Low energy consumption, suitable for producing large-size tableware such as trays, lunch boxes,